Hello everyone, my name is Akash Patel and welcome to my video series of Linux. Intro to Linux, what it is and why it matters is my title. Subtitle is a beginner's guide from Linux Survival Module 1 and 2 and my instructor name is Dr. Victor Govindaswamy who guided me this Linux. So this is my first video where I will introduce you to Linux, explain what it is and a bit of its history, how it works behind the scenes and the different versions or flavors of Linux. So by the end of this video, you will have a solid idea of what Linux is and why it's so important in the tech world today. So let's start. So what is Linux? So Linux is an operating system just like Windows or Mac OS, but big difference in the Linux is open source. This means everyone can view, change and share its code. It's also free, in which why many companies and developers love using it. It was created in 1991 by a student named Linus Torvalds, and today it powers millions of devices like web servers, smartphones, and even supercomputers. Fun, let's see the fun fact. The Android operating system, which runs most smartphones, is based on Linux. It's very funny. So let's see the next slide. Okay, so let's see the quick history of Linux. So Linux was inspired by an older system called Unix, which was developed in the 1970s. In 1991, Linus Torvalds wanted to create his own version of Unix, so he built the Linux kernel, which is the core part of the OS. He shared it online and developers from all over the world joined in to improve it. That's the power of open source. Anyone can help. Today, Linux is used everywhere, from servers and laptops to satellites and smartphones, smart TVs. So let's see the next slide. So kernel versus operating system. Now let's clear up a common confusion. What's the difference between Linux kernel and Linux OS? So the kernel is like the heart or engine of the system. It directly talks to the computer's hardware like the CPU, memory, or disk. But the Linux operating system includes more than that. It has tools, programs, and interfaces that you interact with, like the terminal or file browser. So think of it like a car. So the kernel is the engine, but the full OS is the whole car, with with the like steering wheel, seats, and dashboard that lets you control and use it. Let's see the next slides. So Linux distribution like distro. So Linux comes in many different distributions or distros for short. Each distro is a different version of Linux with its own look and feature. Some popular ones are first one is Ubuntu. It's great for beginners and very user friendly. Then second one is Fedora, good for developers. Third one is Debian, known for its stability. Fourth one is like Arch Linux, very customizable and more advanced. But in this video, we will be using Ubuntu, which is one of the easiest and most popular Linux distro for the beginners. Let's see the next slides. So why learn Linux? So, well, Linux is used everywhere in the web servers, cloud computing, cybersecurity, even game development. Learning Linux helps you understand how computers actually work behind the scene. And since it's free and open source, you can experiment with it as much as you want. If you want to go into tech, Linux is most known skill. let's see the next video, next slides. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. In the next video, we will dive into the Linux terminal. I will show you how to use basic commands like pwd, ls, and cd, how to mod around your Linux system. It's going to be fun and very practical, so don't miss it. Thank you for watching this Linux beginner guide. Hope you learned something useful about Linux and its importance. Please like, share if you found it this helpful. Watch the next video to start using the terminal and run basic commands. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and connect with me on LinkedIn. Thank you so much.